Okay, so today we will learn how to get this unstructured data in a format like unpivot. We can, it is unstructured data. It is a formatted data, and year-wise year, financial year-wise data is there, and there is a total number of sheet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of sheet is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number sheet is 4. Why I am counting from 0? Because it is an array. When I will open this sheet in Power Query, it will start counting from 0. So 0 number 0 will be 20. This sheet will be counted as 0. This will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we will start the Power Query, and let's start. Now go to data and go to my files, and from my files and open data bank. Okay, so this will get all the sheets. So it's starting from 0 to go to the data transformation, transform the data. Okay, once. Okay, so this is the one way we can do. Now let's discard it. Just close this one and open. Now you get the data. You don't need to open that file when you get this file from file. Okay, so it is not required. Go select all the sheets, transform data. Now it's getting all the transformation, determining the automatic transformation of particular sheet. It is a absolutely raw data. Now when you click on the start button, okay, you just press Excel. When you click on this Excel, at the time of opening, just press the Alt key so that it will open the new instance of Excel. When you click on Excel, then after you start the Alt button, then you start pressing Alt button until this opens. So it will show a small pop-up for new instance. Just click on this. It will open a new Excel file, new Excel instance. Open this data bank. Why it is opening and why it is opening? Because I have to check which columns I need or which column I need and which row I don't want, and which column I don't want. So before that I have to go and select all the sheets, and everything should be open so that, okay, save it. Now go back and refresh preview. Refresh all the previews, or you can do it, you can get it again, there is no problem. Just go data, new query, file, on file, 11. Why I have unhide all the rows and columns? Because if I have file which have a hidden rows and columns, Power Query will not consider that file. We have to keep another setting for unhiding rows and columns. I don't want that unnecessary steps. Now I got the data. Now we got this data. This is when you click on 2324, come back to this 2324, we have this right. This data is also there. So this first column, see, whatever with the steps we will take in this file, it will record here applied steps, and the same thing will be recorded in the advanced editor. So after that, use this advanced editor. The M code is there. I will use the M code and done all the things based on this advanced editor. So basically I am creating this Power Query YouTube to understand the advanced editor. Okay, so first of all I need to remove these columns. Every sheet have these columns, so I need to remove these columns first, number one. So I'm just removing it first. Next, and part of that, and go back to here. There is columns is there. There is no column. Now I have removed these two columns. Right? Now I am transposing this data. I am getting this row as a column and this row as a this column as a row and this row as a column. So I am transposing the data. Now the first column is this 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So right, so I got this. So I am removing it because it does not have this anything. This one. Okay, so remove these two columns too. Next, this row as a column, so I just remove this column also. Remove it. Now come back to okay, we got this. So what is this? This is coming from this one. This is the row, the same row we are having here and the same row over here. So I will remove this rows as a column. I'm removing it. So I'm removing it because I transpose it. So now it's become a column. Just a column here. I got the data till was, and I think last row is a was, and a part of that we don't have any data. So every sheet also don't have data after the was. So this place, select all, right click and remove other columns. I now removed all the columns here from this place. Okay, so okay, now we have got this. Before that, actually, I have to go back. One thing should be there. Before to delete this column, I have to merge these three columns first. So I'm just right clicking on it, merge this column first. Before merging, I have to get this apparel in all, fill all the rows and Jodhpur, all the rows and everything is there. So I just select the both things, both to transform and fill down. So it will fill all the things here. Now I will merge these three columns. Remember the steps. Now I select the column, and column is just like this one. This is the column, right? So I selected it. Click OK. It will merge based on column, right? Now I will remove last. Go to last column. This is our was, and this will be our last column. So just go and select all the columns. Now and remove other columns. Okay, so my last column will be this one, and I don't have any, but it automatically sorted. So don't worry, it's not a matter. So I just send this to first place because see, this is at a first place. I don't want this one, and so on. I will remove this. I will just keep a verse in first. Just go and move it to beginning. Okay, Now there is a description, another description, go back, another description, go back, another description. Why it is coming up? Because description and so on. We have a description, so I don't want the descriptions anymore, so I'm just filtering it out. Before that I have to set this column as a first row, because when I will filter this description it will also remove, so I have to make it as a first row. So right, just go to this place and choose select row, show as a first row. It will be formatted as a header. Just remove this change type, don't use it. Just remove this change type also. All the change type should be removed. Now I have got the, now I don't want this description as well as the achievement. I don't want it, so I just go and select the does not contain. I will use description drop down, description, just press D. Yeah, so just remove just I don't want description and does not contain as achievement. So ACH, just press and choose anything, just remove other part. Okay, I'm removing, so just ensure this should be at end. Now I don't have any descriptions as well as achievements, so I have removed description column as well as the achievements columns also. All the achievements column has been removed, right? This one. So now the first description is already here. First description is already here, so I don't want it. Now check, everything is there. Now just right click on it and unpivot other columns. You got it. Now I just split the columns by delimiters. Go back, just use the column and each occurrence of the delimiter, because column is there, column is there. Just click on this and you got this values, right? So this is the your data point, and this is our location, this is our month. Just double click on the headings, and this is our attribute and this is our value. Now this is absolutely refined unpivot data, which can be used as a, there should be any actuary is there, this is locations there, this is locations there, month wise month data we got it, and the attribute is there, all the attributes and their respective values is there, right? Now I have completed, just remove this change type, I don't want it, so there is no effect on this. So what if, see, I have selected, I have did all the things at a 324, right? And so now I want this and this, and so I don't want to repeat the same step of this. So to avoid such steps, because we have count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up to 12 steps is there, so I don't want to do this 12 step for each of these files, right? So for that I have to go to home, then go to advanced editor, right? It is very important to understand this advanced editor. See, I will explain you here on this first row. Will explain that the data you are getting, this one, it is entirely from this file, data bank FI2023, this one. The source file is data bank, so this file will denote this source one. Second line is denoting the sheet name. Which sheet? This sheet, this sheet, this sheet, or this sheet? Or which is sheet? So sheet number 0, sheet number 1, 2, 3, 4. Sheet number 0. It is a sheet number 0 because why it is a sheet number 0? I am telling you sheet number 0 because I am telling you this, it is this Power Query take it this sheet as at a 0 place. Just go to source, click on source. Now look at this source. This is at 0, 1, 2, 4. The arrangement type of the sheet will automatically taken as a number of sheets. It will start from 0 because it is an array. We're treating it as a Okay, so it is very important you are at a zero sheet. Now this is at a zero, one sheet, two sheet, three sheet, and four sheet. So just go to space and go to advanced editor. Look at this. This first shot is using another Excel workbook, and this is for Excel sheet. Okay. Now look at this. The source is there, and the curly bracket, and with this one, this array is always defined as a square brackets. I'm explaining one more thing. Wait a minute. When you want to show something in array in JavaScript and other language, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take it as a this one. Okay, or you can use sheet name also. Look at this. You can write like this one. This one and this one. Okay, so what my point is, you can remove this one. This is an array. Okay, just remove it. But if you remove it, it will not select any sheets right now, right? That 2324 is a sheet number 0 because it is also started at left side. Left side will be 0, right side will be number. Increasing order will left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 0. So just put it as a 0. You will get the same result. There is no problem. Okay, there will be no problem because you have put it at a 0. Obviously, you can denote it. Now you have decided that this is at a 0. Just copy. Just leave this first. Just copy till this one. Copy it. And now just go to source. Check. This is at 0. Second number is 2425. It is when it is number at 1. Just select, or you can choose anyone. There is no problem. There is no problem. You can choose anyone. But I am going to sequence wise to 23, 24, 24, 25. So I just select this 25. Go to advanced editor. There is no code here. So just remove these things. Just remove and paste. Okay. Now it is at sheet number. It is at a 1 number because 0 and 1. So just remove this 0 and place it 1, and you will get the data for 24, 24. Now look at this. Now you're getting the data from 24. This look at this. You got the was is 24 and you just check the actuals. 107200. 107200 is there. Yes, there is. That means it is taking the data for 24, 25. Now same thing will you have to do with this one also, 22, 23. So go to 22, 23. Just select, remove it. It's a number. Look at this. This is getting from April 22. So it's a April 22 is there. May 22 is there. Okay. Now go to next sheet is 2021. 2021 is there. Go. Select this one, and the sheet name is 3. Sheet number is 3. Now you get all these things. Year till date. So you just check year till date is there, and nothing is after that. You have got all of it. Stop it. Just filter it. You will see all the months. Now just go 21, 22. So 21, 22 is there. Go to advanced editor. Remove this one. Oh. And this is the number 4. Set a number 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a number 4 and just press it, and you will get the data 21, 22. Look at this 21, 22, and part of this all the thing is blank, so value is not there, might be not there. So now I got all the data in a pivot format. Okay, I have changed this unstructured data as a pivot data. So it's a structured data. So I just want to expand all the things right? So if you want, you can change things. This one, okay. Change it, change it, change. So I rearrange the sheets arranging order. It doesn't mean it will arrange here also. It is only arranging the power query only. It is not happening in the Excel file. Just why I am arranging, because I am arranging as a year wise. That is not right. Now just append it. Just go to here and append the query as a new. Append the query as a new. So just select all these things. One sheet is already selected. Now select rest of the scene. Select yes, okay. It will append all the data, right? There is a month, so it is absolutely clear data. Apart of that, I have to tell you one more thing, because somewhere I have not getting a yes. So here we have a year. Here we have a year. Yeah, we don't have here. This one. So just click on it, double click on it, copy of this, just right click on it, replace value, okay, and there set it YTD 2020, just so that it can be identified if this data is related to 21 2020. Just click on this, go this one, refresh this query, check. It is there. So just go and replace value YTD with YTD 2425. Right there. Okay. Remove it. This tab is also mapped in this editor. It is a one-time access, there is no problem. One-time access. Do we have YTD or not? So now just go and refresh this one, appended sheet. Okay, just click advanced editor, check this. This is only a appending. This is the appending code. It is an appending code. It is appending in a format of object. It is in a programming language. Array will be denoted in the curly bracket like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And object is denoted in this form, right? That is key value pairs 0, 1, B 2, B 2, C 3, and so on. This is object. Okay. This is denoting object and this is our array. So come back to this place. This is object with the keys 0 key and 1 key, 2 and so on. Okay, there is no problem. Go and done it. You can write down these things also. So if you want to learn about the advanced filtering, so you have to learn this wrong things, how to use and approach. Before that, you have to get the concept. You have to get clear the concept of array and object. For that, okay. So now just go and load it. I got this for a pivot. This is my append. I don't want this sheets, so just okay, I got it. Now you got this one. And there is an here. Here is also there. So if you want to make a pivot table, you can make it. Just go and click on pivot. Just go to add this data to as a model and just click on OK. It is loading into the data model. Now I got the data model. Just go. You have any values is there, location is there. Just get it. Location is there, and there is a month, okay, and attribute is there. So there is an attribute is there, data point is there, actual targets, and I want grand total. Just select target, get the formatted table. Got this. Now you have to set values there, and you will get the values here. Okay, just select see. There is an actual. I will just click on this and drag it here. So target will be here and actual will be here. Okay. Now I will make a calculated column. There is a two word, calculated column, and another one is calculated field. This will use it in the calculation of two columns. And this is used in row wise calculation. Okay, there is a difference. So I am here is right now I am going to calculate columns, because I have created this table as a data model. I do not get any calculate field here. If I create this table, this pivot table without data model, I will get that activity. Don't select this one. Now click on this one, and you will get the data. Just go to data point. The location is there. Okay. Location. The location and attribute. Location. Data point should be here. The attribute is here, and value is here. Select. Same thing. Just go to and merge it. Okay, and just select it. Just go to tabular, go to off, and just select this one. So you got all these things. But I don't want it as a also. So now you want a month here is. So you just select the month here. Just go and this option is there. Just when the comparator go and get that. Right? So just click on the compare from the incident. So just go and display printing data. This one. Okay. Right now it will not affect, but when you click on this, okay. Now I want target here, because it is not in this table is not added in a pivot table. This will affect activated, but don't keep the cursor here in the value field. Just keep the cursor here, here, or here. Just keep the cursor here and just go to analysis. Now we will activate calculated field. So field is 0 well, that I have to do. This is target and actual. Calculated percentage. For the data point, there is a target. First select the actual divided by target. Okay, achievement percent is there. Click on up. Sure, the value is not coming up. Wait a minute. Okay, so we have created a pivot table. This is it is very simple. You just go and C10 C6 sorry 6 D6 divided by 6 C6 and you will get the there's a control shift and 5 use CTRL C press control shift 5 for formatting as a percentage. Okay, now this is the normal pivot table. Now come to this pivot table, just data model pivot table. So difference is that you can have like structure this one and this is a normal pivot table. There is no table. So there is a normal pivot table have an option of more tables. But data model table, so there is an all table is also there. This is our table name append 1. The table name is append 1. So I just want to press, just click on this and value must be there and data point is there. So I got this one. I want the actual numbers is here, right? So I'm just removing this data point here and keeping all the values here. Just right click on this data measures and put it as a target. And my YouTube channel name is Aaron. And go to calculate. Just go to sum. Sum of values. I want the sum of these values, but having the condition of append where the data point name is target. Let's close, check, and this is okay. Just press OK and you get the target. Now just come back this place and remove this one. So look at this. This is the total value in which the value of target is this one. The remaining value will be this one. So just go back. Now I will take as a actual. Now put it. YouTube channel name is equals to calculate. So calculate. Now I got the sum. Append value. Make it close. Append. And the data point is equals to sum all the rows where the data point name is actual. Check. Okay. Now we got this. Click on this and look at this. This plus this is equals to this one. So you will have a contribution. You just calculate the contribution also. But now at least I have to calculate the achievement percentage. So using data model. That's good. Okay. So now achievement percentage is divide actual, just press actual, comma, just press target. Now use value percentage. You got this. Now I have to do control shift 5 and you get the achievement. So just if you want, you can check this one. This divided by this, you get this 46%. So it's a ready. Now I want the contribution of total. I don't want contribution. So basically, when you are at target, you have a target. You don't need to calculate the contributions. So by this way, you can calculate and easily. But this is not a finish it up. I just want to make a month is over. So just go and select all the months. Now I want to compare month on month, year on year, same month. Just click on this April. This is April 22. No, it is started as a June. We have found June right now. Just press JB. So we got the June. All the June is there. June 22, June 21, and everything is there. Just okay. You got this total of this one, but I want as a just press below the values. Okay. So you got it. You got the target. Now I want the target in here. What's the goal? March. Now I got nice table where I can check and compare. June. So I just want to short if possible. Shorting. Maybe possible, may not be possible. Additional actions, short, filter, display, shorten it to that. Check this one. In June 22, sorry, I just we have a good trend. June 22 SSL target is this one, actually this one, for the reason of location is assumed, right? Where last target is 75 and achievement is this one, it's at 55%. Like this arrow. Now or this table. Okay, so 49% is there. Look at this. Now I just want to format it enough. Just select. Press Ctrl 1. Press Ctrl 1. This one. So Ctrl plus 1. Open format. Okay. Select. Press Ctrl 1. Go custom. Leave it as it is. Square bracket less than signature sign 100%, then curly bracket open, press red, curly bracket close, put it value here, and Windows plus dot. Windows plus dot will open the emojis. Windows plus semicolon is also open. Windows or semicolon is also open. Just down thing. Close. Font color will be red. Okay, I got this. My god, what I got. Look at this. Get should not be 100%. Actually, this will work. Blue one, I think. Blue one will work. But I have to format for another one. And in place of general, as in green. Now this time 1 is equals to 100%. Okay, and press Windows semicolon up arrow enter. Okay, now look at this table. Right. Wait a minute, I have to check this one is also right. So this is our formatting style. Column is there. Okay, just select, double click on format, double click, just this one, this one, this one. Just click on this and you have the values. This is formatted value. That trend is that we have not achieved. Touch the target. This one. If you want to, you can just insert a slicer also. So just go to this place and insert slicer. So slicer will be a month. To this place. Slicer. Multiple slicer is possible. Press April. Got this operator is also there. Just click on and delete. Yes. Out. April. So this and press. Select all these things. So got. Just go home, double click on format, format, and this, okay, which pen, now, if you want, tail of labor per hour body shop. Mechanical. This value. So look at this. The labor value in June 21 is less than 100%. June 20 is also 100%. Not the 100%, but June 24 there is a more than 100%. In a body shop mechanical there is a 100%. It is again 100%. Not below 100%, 100%. Below 100% and 100%. Our body shop more than 100%. So you can get the trend of this. You just trend it. There is no timeline because there is no date. So you just click on slicer and go to month. Month is not there. So just select this month. Just keep this value here. Go to this place and columns. Go columns 5 columns 6 columns. This slicer. don't want to show the background of it. Any borders, so just keep it in as a blank. Font will be black. Now, okay, go back, select this. You will get there should not be any boundary wall. So just go and just click on modify format. I don't want any colors. Watercolor should not be there. Like color should be white. Let's go. This. I want to remove the border. I just want to remove this month also. Just remove it. Okay, and ascending order. Let's see. Ascending table. Yes, we got it. Okay. Here, remove the table. Now I have a nicely month is there. So I just want to compare June 1 and June 23. This one, okay, and 23, 21. 21 is where is 21? J. Okay. I think it's here. This one. Just press Ctrl and select all this. Press Ctrl. Look at this. I'm just changing it. If you select one, okay, just press Ctrl. Otherwise, it will select only single. Press Ctrl, then select this one. That will give you all the details there. And but formatting should be keep constant. If I want to compare my 21, June 23, 24, but the achievement is not there because the target is not here. But we have an achievement here. Okay, we have an achievement, but the problem is that formatting is removing again and again. So don't use the control one. Just go for condition formatting. Press this one, cell value, showing actual values, all cells showing actual percentage values. Okay, select this one. Now go to custom formula and custom formula ordinance. Cell value in between is less than 1. Custom jungle is right 0.0 one more thing I forget. My Windows semicolon. Okay, and I got all these things right. Now I just want to take the same formula for another one. Go to this one. So I show an achievement formula. This contain greater than equals to 1 format custom should be green percent it's up. When you select the, when you write the green, you don't want to check colors. Just select. Now you just select. Press Control to get this. Now the formatting is stable. Okay, let's save it. PQ. So that's all from my end till now. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Okay. So earlier we have created this table. Okay. So we are just measuring the labor and everything per hour. Now I will select the every except this grand total. Everything should be there. So just go and get it done. So if you want to change the format, if you want, just drag it here like this way and just drag this one and, per arrow, and obviously this one. So just select it. This place. Select it here. Shopping labor and the grand total, so just keep it okay. And, if you want to just do one more thing, just select all this and set a group if it is possible to set. Okay, leave it. So I just want to set a group for this is a light and this is for this one. So that's why now set. Okay, so this is what we have. Parameters here. Based on that, we have a calculation. You can easily check which can be this one. Now, one more thing that I have selected June, right? Now what if I will just press the July, and July 24 is not there, so I have to put the data in July 24, right, in this table. So for the time being, just putting this one, copy paste, or just leave it no, just copy paste as it is, and June, this is ours. Yes. Just rename it as a here. Save it. Now just refresh this thing. I think just refresh the table. It's running in a background, and now check July 24 is there or not. Yes, we got the July 24 is there now, and this is the local private table. So just like it. This is our model, and just go and refresh this table also, because it is a private table. It will not be refreshed along with this one. And now July 24 is there. Just click it here. So now easily you can compare the data. Yes, you can compare the data easily, right? And I want to show you that this is correct data for Ajmer. Let's look at this. In Ajmer, this is target. Target is 2340250. Target is for Ajmer 234050, and the percentage is 1478. This is around this one. And 224 is a 134% is there. 134% is there. And the July 23 for Ajmer. Let's go this place. July, yeah, this one. And this is target 320. So it's a 320 and 156%. Grand total is this one and this one. So it's nice. And obviously this will, you can also check the night also. So accessory is there. Accessory is 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. So you can also tire battery is there. So you can just tire, just battery. Just accessory tire battery is here, RSAEW. So now you can check 10 to 5 34. 10 to 5 552. So you can compare your database along with the performance, right? So it's a nice table. Just next time I will put the data in it here in here. I will get the data. So if you just want to know the data is okay or not okay, I'm just putting in the original data in it till 8th of July. Was. So it's our data. This is our data. Okay. Now I fill the actual values. Now refresh. Directly. And get the data here. This should be changed. I got the grand total. This is working. Now finish this table. Look at this. 4429. 429,294. There is light business.